Almost 500,000 of these lovable birds come to our coast each summer. Both share the burden of raising their week-old chick, their puffling, who needs 5 square meals a day. Lesser sand eels are the favourite prey of puffins. Their broad bills enable them to carry remarkably large numbers of sand eels, but their catch is always temptingly visible. All around, returning parents are being robbed. Puffins must choose their moment wisely. A near miss. A last desperate burst of speed. And it's made it. Safely home after a 3-hour round trip, where his patient partner is waiting. Today, their puffling will eat.